Hey folks, this is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Let's go. I got a great video for you here, and I want you to imagine this. Imagine basically going to google.com and searching Google and making money, okay? Now, listen, if you pay attention, I'm going to show you how to simply search money online right here and make money online just by searching Google here, okay? Hey, my name is Wesley, billion dollar virgin, and what I do is I'm looking for a light because I'm too black here. You can't really see me properly here. But listen, what I do is I help people like you make money online. And what I realize is that it's easy to do, but you must do one thing. Listen, you got to take action, okay? So guys, listen, remember, don't like the video, don't share the video, or sub to the channel unless I give you value. What I'm going to show you how it's so easy to do. And listen, I keep creating these type of videos to let you know. Let me show you something. Before I get into this technique, let me show you this something that's going to blow your mind. Look at this. So this is my live account. I'm going to my merchant processor, and I'm going to leave a link below based off the system that I've created on autopilot to make this amount of money. So it's only 10-1, right? 10-3 2020. Let me show you how much money I've made in 3 days based off the link that's in the description below. That's almost $7,000, guys, right? So listen, 1, it's possible. 2, come here, big head. You can do it too, okay? So listen, all you have to do is be able to have a computer, okay, or a phone. You can do this, all right? So the site that we're talking about is called mindsumo.com. Very easy. And guess what? These folks, they work with some very, very major companies here. Okay, I'm trying to find the light here because it's so dark. Oh my God. These people here, they've worked with Delta, right? Ericsson, right? Some of these companies that you know, Facebook, right? You know that little company as well. So they work with some very major companies here like Dell. So they're legit. And these people here, they're the ones that's going to pay you the money here. So all you have to do is this. You go to sign up, okay? Makes sense? Guys, I'm in Kabul right now, and that's the reason why. And it's so dark in here. I'm looking for the light. Where's the light? Not sure where the light is. I don't know. Light is somewhere. So the thing is, folks, let me get comfortable here. All right. So basically, what you need to do is sign up for an account here. Go to sign up. Okay. You're going to need to sign up with your Facebook or Twitter account, or just click here, don't have an account. Put your first name right here, okay, last name, location, email address. And the great thing about this, it's worldwide. Go ahead and smash the like button for all my people outside of the United States of America here. Remember, in the comment sections below, always let me know where you are. This is how I know to make more videos like this, to make money online very quickly here, based off where you live on the planet here. So if you want to give me some love, go ahead and smash the like. Let's go! I know you were waiting for that, right? I know you were. So you fill out this information here. Very simple here, okay? Then basically, once you have an account, it's free to get here. You go to MindSumo and you click on I'm a problem solver. So basically, these people here are going to pay you money to solve a problem, right? Which is insane. So you go to I'm a problem solver here. You have your account, you log in, and look at this. They're gonna pay you like let me show you the very current challenges here. They're gonna pay you up to like $1,600 just by searching Google. That's insane, right? Listen, so many sites like this exist. You just don't know what they are. And guess what? I'm not gonna charge you any money. I'm gonna give it to you for free, but listen, you have to do the work. And if you don't do the work, you won't be successful. I can do many videos about making money online right now. You can like it, you can comment below, but unless you get off your butt and actually do the work, well, success will be in a distance. And you're like, sister, come. He won't, okay? So listen, these people here are getting paid like $300, $1,600. This 20, like imagine making $20,000 just by going to google.com and searching for something, right? That's insane. So let me show you how it works, okay? So basically, say here, say if we want to get paid $1,600 here, how would you rebuild our post-pandemic here, okay? So all I'm going to do, right, I'm going to copy this. How would you rebuild our post-pandemic economy? How would you rebuild our Look at that, it's already there. So the thing is, I'm going to find the answers from Google. Listen, you don't have to use your brain. You can use Google's brain, right? Google has made me a ton of money, guys. Millions of dollars, right? Because I am a smart internet marketer, and this is what I'm trying to teach you as well, okay? So you click on the article here, okay? Then what you want to do is, once you got an article talking about the pandemic here, let me dismiss that, okay? All you need to do is you're going to copy and paste this, but pay attention. You're going to open up another tab. You're going to go to what's called Google Docs, okay? Google Docs here, boom, boom, boom. Listen, if this is easy, if you think this is very easy, go ahead and smash the like button. Like, if you believe that you can do this, I want you to do two things. I want you to smash the like button, and I want you to comment below, I can do this, okay? So listen, I open up a Google Docs. It's just simple, right? Because all they want to know is this. They want to know, how would you rebuild our economy here, right? That's a question that's asked. And then based off the question that you submit here, they're going to pay you the money. Does that make sense here, okay? So you go back here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, okay? Copy this. And I know what you guys thinking. Wesley, are you going to plagiarize? No. Let me show you what you're going to do here. All right? You see that? Copy and paste. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to reword this, okay? Reword this, all right, in your words. So what you do is, see, understand something about success. McDonald's and Burger King, they're both billion-dollar companies, but they both make burgers, correct? Bank of America, Chase Bank, they both dispense money, and they take in money, but they're both billion-dollar companies. What I'm saying is this. Model what other people are doing it. Put it in your words, and then you take that article and you go back here and submit it. And what they're going to do is, the top 25 people here that submit. So you get a huge chance to win money. You're going to split the $1,600. Let me make a disclaimer here. You don't get the whole $1,600. You will split it with other people. But how easy is that? It's easy. You just submit it. I have an idea. You submit it. If you get it, then you win. And you use Google. Let's do another one here. Guys, smash the like button if this is making perfect sense and you know that you can do this. Let's go! Okay, look. Another one here. This is a very simple way to make money. Look at this. So I'm going to copy this. This is the question. Can you propose a cutting-edge product idea to address water availability? So what I'm going to do, I don't know anything about water availability here, right? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to learn about it, and I'm going to go right back to what? Google.com, right? Google.com, because Google knows everything apparently here. And bam, 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 look at that. Can you propose? Okay, that's my sumo here. And then you look through here, cutting-edge FTA approaches, cutting-edge product development here. So I can take something from Cornell University. I do the same thing. I read through it. I reword it. I copy and paste it here to Google Docs, right? I reword it, and then I put it back here and I submit the idea. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, well, is there a simpler way to do this? Because, okay, I get it. I like this. I can submit these ideals. I understand that I can make money by going to google.com and getting information there. But is there an easier way to do this? Guess what? Go ahead and smash the like button, because your boy Wesley Virgin is about to give you a more simpler way to start making money right now, so you don't have to go to the 9-to-5 job, so you can tell your boss, leave, I hate you, and I'm never coming back again. I told my boss that, and now I make millions of dollars. Check this out. Let me show you something. Go to Fiverr.com. That's what you do. You go to Fiverr.com, okay? And all you want to do is this. You say, hey, Fiverr guy, I need you to do something here, okay? Because I want to win some money. So you find like the $20,000, right? Look at this, $20,000 or $1,600 right here. So what's your delicious idea for a salty pretzel snack that is inspired by beer and alcohol? So what you do is you're going to copy all this. You're going to go to Fiverr.com, right? You can go to copywriting, okay? Type in copywriting like this, right? And then you find someone on Fiverr. This is so simple here. You find somebody on Fiverr, and they will write it, because all they're looking for on mindsumo.com, they're looking for people that can write good copy, something that sounds compelling, and then they will pay you the money over and over again. Like, imagine getting paid every single day. Say if you made $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month. And look, I'm in Cabo right now. You could be anywhere around the planet here. You could be at home. You could be in Bora Bora. You could be in the bathroom. It doesn't matter. But you won't be at a stupid job that's paying you less than what you're worth. Does that make sense? Can I get an amen? Let's go! Okay, let's check it out. So you just go to Fiverr.com and say, hey, Fiverr guy, you copy all of this, right? And you say, hey, Fiverr guy, say this person, you always want to find somebody that has high ratings, okay? And someone that has a lot of reviews, like this person. I will do professional copywriting here. Click there, then you contact them. Contact the seller here, right? How many of you can do this? Now, this is you not doing any work at all, right? You want them to do the work, right? And you put the question in there, right? You say, hey, I need you to do your research here, and I need you to answer this question here, okay? Look at that. Then you say, could you provide a response to this? And the thing is, they're already cooperated, so they already know. So what you do, if you're smart, and this only take about $5 or $10 to do this, but listen, you're gonna split $1,600 here, right? 50% of people that enter this, that give them something that's compelling that they can use, you're going to split that $1,600. But listen, now you have a business on autopilot. Does that make sense? And you keep doing this over and over again, right? You just don't do one, you do all of these. And then you take that same Fiverr person and you give them many, many jobs here. And listen, all you have to do is win one time. One a day, that's $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. But remember, you must take massive action. Hey guys, if I gave you massive value, if you can do this right now, if you believe that you can do this right now, go ahead and smash the like button, sub to the channel, because every day I'm going to help you make money online. Listen, until I leave this planet, many of you, if you listen, pay close attention, and you believe in yourself and take massive action, it is no reason why you can't leave your job and understand that you deserve to have the life that you want. But remember this, I showed you guys this $7,000 in one day. I will leave a link right under this video right below. I will teach you 100%. Look at me. I will categorically teach you step by step how to earn your first $10,000 in 30 days. And as you go to that link, I want you to remember one thing before you go to that site and listen to this information. If you don't believe that you can do this, you won't do it. If you're skeptical, if you believe that this is scammy, it won't work for you, okay? One thing, before you click that training that's helped over thousands of people that I've trained personally online to earn $10,000 per month, plus they believe in themselves, they were patient, and they worked relentlessly. If that's you, I don't know where you are in life right now. I came from an air mattress. That's where I was sleeping at. I've been in the Army. I've been kicked out. I never graduated college. I got kicked out. Okay? My life sucked in my 20s. But I've learned one thing that changed my life. And before you click that link to earn $10,000 per month easily, it's this. In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. Never forget that. Once you go through that $10,000 per month training that's going to teach you how to make that type of money, you're going to see deposits come into your bank account. Never forget that you have to picture it working. You got to picture a better life. If you don't do that, you'll get stuck and frustrated and you'll quit. Hey, I love you so much. Hey, if I gave you massive value, go ahead and smash the like button. Obliterate the like button. Sub to the channel. This is Wesley. Billion dollar version. Let's go. Motivated. Dedicated. Let go.